So on this episode of Roberta's Bullshit, as you can read from the title, we're going to put hot fry against hot fry. So later on, you'll also see Cheeto go up against 3 other Cheetos. And let's just say it gets interesting. So let's start off by looking at ingredients. Here's original hot fry, and here's Tom's ingredients. Paprika. Okay. I should have the mic on. This is going to be new to the channel. We're going to do a segment of not hot Cheetos, because hot Cheetos I feel like have obviously had their limelight for a while. Yet later on we find ourselves doing a Cheeto review. They've been always the popular ones, so we're going to do a segment on hot fries. We're going to put hot fry against hot fry. Whoever wins this round goes on to the next, and we'll find another hot fry. Yeah, there's other hot fries. Other brands make hot fries. But I already know where those hot fries are at. And they're at the flea market. And I'm going to get them. But I found these. I don't know who Tom is. Maybe it's Tom from MySpace. Quit MySpace. He started making hot fry. Actually, he made a lot of snacks. There was a lot of Tom snacks. Do you know who Tom is? Do you know MySpace?
Yeah.
So we're going to put these hot fries against these. And then we'll let you know if they're even worth it. If you struggle with these like I do, sponsored by, get some of this shit.
They're not sponsored.
I'm not sponsored. They should sponsor me in life. If you suffer from super bad heartburn or gastritis and whatnot, get this shit. Go to Costco. You can get like a fat amount for, you know how much there?
No. I just stopped.
A deal. How about that? $20? Okay. I hope they heard all that since I went like this. No, but in all seriousness, I'm going to take this moment to kind of help you guys out that suffer from chronic heartburn, like you eat Tums all the time or Mylanta, whatever you take. Stop with all that bullshit. Go ahead and get some actual help, which is these pills right here. I'll tell you, they already smell hella different.
What they smell like? They smell
Indian spices?
Smells like that Mexican chip. Which one is it?
So if I said Indian and you said Mexican, it's probably like cumin. They probably put cumin in there.
Cumin.
Honestly, I think it's just the garlic powder. Comparing ingredients, these, I can read a lot more of these ingredients than these. Bitch, you know damn well you don't know how to read. So, I don't know. Let's see what Bobo thinks they smell like. Bobo, do they smell?
That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell and smell.
I don't think he liked it. Wow.
I don't like them. Hella salty. What the fuck is that shit?
It's like garlicky for sure, like garlic salt, garlic powder. Become ASMR. Yeah.
I give it a 0.
They're pretty fucking intense, that's for sure. Pretty intense. It's the original. The crunch is different, and I know you fucking heard that. Like it melts. We all know what hot fries taste like. They melt. Bubba, which one do you prefer? Bubba, pick one.
He's gonna drop the cam. No.
Okay, so at this point, we started eating more of the Tom's ones, and they started tasting kind of good. So we just left it up to the cat, and the cat picked, oh, looks like hot fries. So hot fries won this round. So on to the next one. All right, so we're moving on to the hot Cheeto round. So hot Cheeto goes up against 2 other fellows here.
High school, Arizona.
You went to high school in Arizona?
Yeah.
Okay, so in this video, we are putting, like in the previous video, we did hot fries versus hot fries, which we'll edit into this one. We'll edit those clips into this video. Once again, it's raw. Gus is not permanent in the video.
He's about to dip.
Raul's joining me again to put, this time we're doing
Put this in the camera.
hot cheese crunchies. You could already guess we're gonna put them against the hot Cheetos. But not just these two, we're gonna do Trader Joe's too. So all three of these, we're gonna say who wins the battle.
Those are spices.
Cheese crunchies, hot cheese crunchies. This is a Safeway brand. And then against good old fashioned hot Cheetos. But first,
Gotta take a hit.
have to medicate. He's okay. The ingredients in this one are a lot more understandable than both Safeway's brand. And I'm putting it in front of the camera like it fucking helps. Alright, that does nothing for you.
Or
We all know hot Cheetos got some fucked up shit in it. But basically, these two have that red dye number 40 in it, and then this one doesn't, the Trader Joe's one. Watching this, and there's no Trader Joe's near you. That's like,
Oh,
damn.
you spilled
I got it,
Arizona.
Okay, so we opened the hot Cheetos because we all know what these taste like. They don't smell like fart. You know how when you first open hot Cheetos, they smell like fart?
Yeah.
They legit smell like fucking ass. They look like hot Cheetos. What do they smell like? They smell like nothing.
No.
Is that weird? Well, technically these smell like nothing. Like even more like nothing.
No.
But you know when you first open one of
These are more red.
fart. Yeah. Fuck, I opened the back hella dumb. I opened it even worse. Bust it. They're not as red, for sure. Wait. Guess which one's the real hot Cheeto? Oh. Which one's the real hot Cheeto? The Trader Joe's ones have no red dye number 40. I heard you can get addicted to that. Like you're addicted. That's why some people they're like, I have to have hot Cheetos right now.
I like those though.
I know these are cracking as fuck, and they're nowhere near as red. Like, shit. Hot Cheeto, Trader Joe's hot Cheeto, Safeway hot Cheeto. Dang, those Cheetos look mighty tasty. Cool.
Like a regular Cheeto.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, it does.
No, it is not.
Yeah, it does. To me, it does.
I don't think so.
Cheesy.
Bitch, I do think so. It kind of tastes like Top Ramen. The Safeway hot Cheetos tastes like.
Yeah, you got that.
Don't fucking say no. Like, that actually tastes like Top Ramen.
Low key.
The aftertaste. Close your eyes. And don't think Maruchan. Think cup of noodle.
Yeah, bitch, I still don't know see it, but if you want it's okay.
So it's not even like the OG noodle. Just a cup of noodle. Chicken cup of noodle. That's what that should taste like.
Okay, bitch, we fucking get it!
Right? And actually,
So is this one the Safeway one? More cheesy.
for real. The cheese crunchies from Trader Joe's, on the other hand, they have their own flavor. Like, it's his own fucking flavor. You can tell this bitch is trying to be like this bitch, and this bitch is like, it's a coincidence we're all red. But I taste way different. That was a good explanation. All these things it says that red dye, number 40. Food dyes with problems in children, including allergies, hyperactivity, learning impairments.
Oh, that explains a lot.
So this makes kids stupid. That's sad because a lot of us ate this shit, huh? What else does it do? Irritability. I'm a sassy Latina. I love hot Cheetos. That's what all the bitches say. Turns out we're all just fucking tripping off the fucking Cheetos here. Raging out. Aggressiveness.
Damn.
Dude,
Get angry.
Gus.
Rage mode.
You'll fucking fight a bitch after eating Cheetos. Does red dye number 40 have pork in it? About 70,000 insects are needed to produce a pound of dye? No, it's made from bugs. It's still not good. Just saying. Awareness is good. Bring
One more
me the
time.
child. Sorry, I almost put hot Cheeto in your eyes. Anyways. In conclusion, which ones would you prefer? The Trader Joe's ones?
Yeah, these.
Why?
They're better.
Other
I
than
don't
me
know.
reading everything that red dye does. It was because
They
of flavor?
taste better. Yeah.
They do, and I know we all want them. So, I'm gonna have to do something. Mix it the fuck up.
What the fuck?
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
I'm fucking high right now, so it's perfect.
The ones that were hated on the most was Safeway. This shit was trash. Basura. Hey, yo. Go give him to Gus.
These out.
Go put him on his bed here. He'll be like, oh yeah, they gave me fucking... He won that. That was the conclusion. Y'all want to see some slime I made? Well, I didn't make it. What I do is I'm good at fingering the slime. I don't make it. Well, I've made slime. Duh. Who the fuck hasn't made slime? Fucking losers. I get glitters and shit, and then I like do that. I mix that. I finger it. Like this. Ooh. If you follow me on Instagram, I do that shit all the time. Just saying. Okay. Once again, thanks for the support. Putting up with my bullshit. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.